California, I'm not sure you know it, but if you didn't know it, you should, because the decision you're about to make isn't just going to have a huge impact on California. It's going to reverberate around the nation, and quite frankly, meanwhile, for these Republican governors, it isn't about public health, about the health of the people. It's about policy. In Mississippi, children are required to be vaccinated against measles. But now, in the midst of this pandemic that has taken over 6 states for COVID-19 vaccines, and it's an outrage. It's an infringement on freedom. Look, folks, we don't need politics in this battle against COVID. We need science. We need courage. We need leadership. We need Gavin Newsome. A governor who follows science, who's got the courage to do what's right, and who'll lead, and I apologize. Gavin will be a governor who will help the president and I immediately rejoin the Paris Climate Accord. That's the point of no return. And our children need it, the planet needs it. And look, fourth, for the $15 minimum wage, Gavin is leading the way in California. I'm so tired of trickle-down economics. It's about time we build from the bottom up and the middle out. So California, keep Gavin. And you either keep Gavin Newsome as your governor. Gavin, you have a governor. So please, not a joke, on behalf of the people of Delaware and Pennsylvania and Minnesota and all across America, don't take anything for granted. If you're registered, you've got a ballot in the mail. If you haven't opened, if you've already voted, make sure your family and friends are voting tomorrow. California.
Watch how I run up ramps and he stumbles down ramps.